Hi students, in this video we will be solving question number 2 from the exercise 10.2 from the chapter straight lines, and this is a first PU syllabus. If you go to playlists and look for straight lines, you will be able to find all the sums and derivations related to this chapter. Now let us check question number 2. Find the equation of the line which passes through minus 4, 3 with slope as half. We have to find the equation of the line where this is a point on the line whose slope is half. We have already discussed that when a point on a line and its slope are known to us, then we can find the equation of the line using this formula, that is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. Here m is the slope and x naught and y naught are the specific point on the line. This is a very important formula to find the equation of the line. You have to memorize this. So now we know a point which is minus 4, 3 and the slope is also given as half. So equation of the line passing through this point and this slope is, we are substituting for x naught and y naught from this point. Here x and y are the arbitrary points. So y minus y naught, y minus 3 is equal to half into x minus x naught would be x plus 4. Now we will cross multiply. Then it is 2 into y minus 3 is equal to x plus 4. 2y minus 6 is equal to x plus 4. Then x minus 2y plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 0, which is x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line. We have written the equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. We have expressed it in the standard form of equation of the line. Hope you have understood the sum.